Hey beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something super exciting to share with you. The top 5 argan oil shampoos in India. On the number 1 we have this Satthwa Argan Oil Shampoo, restorative formula, formulated with the nutrient-rich argan oil, which is high in fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that nourish and condition the hair and scalp. Benefits: softens and smoothens hair for a silky touch, deeply moisturizes hair and scalp, helps reduce hair fall, nourishes and fortifies hair strands, tames frizz for a sleek finish, repairs and revitalizes damaged hair. Unisex and all hair type. Price 475 rupees for 200 milliliter bottle. Available on Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra and Satthwa.com with an overall rating of 4.9 out of 5. Next we have Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Number 3. QOD Professional Argan Shampoo. Number 4. Herbal Essences BioRenew Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo. Number 5. OGX Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo. Don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing for more beauty insights, and staying tuned for our next video. Missed our last video on top 5 hair growth oils in India? Catch up now. The link is in the description box.